How's it going, YouTube? Right now I want to go ahead and do an unboxing of the Fantaseal handheld shooting grip for Sony action cameras. So first up, it comes in a little box like this, pretty much just cardboard, and has a little Fantaseal logo, little sticker here that says Fantaseal Technology Company. Make it different. Has their website, fantaseal.com. Says right here, handheld shooting grip with smartphone holder for Sony action cam. If you don't know what a Fantaseal shooting grip is, I'll go ahead and put a picture here so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this box up. So the first thing you see is a cleaning cloth with their brand name on it, Fantaseal. It's pretty cool. Okay, what else do we got here? We got a little, some sort of little lanyard strap. This looks like some sort of tool. And then this is what you can put your phone in for your LCD display. And so everything's in pieces. Little screw, some more plastic, paper stuff. Oh, okay, so this is the actual grip. So it's got a really rubbery feeling to it. It's pretty cool. It's got some texture. Alright, so let's go ahead and try to put this together. Looks like the first step would be to screw the grip into this, I think. Looks like this slides into there, like so. And then we got this piece. Looks like it goes like that. And then the screw goes on the side. Getting somewhere. And then it looks like our lanyard strap would go on the bottom. It's pretty nice. The quality of this is a lot better than I thought it'd be. This right here is a little solid piece of metal with a tint to it. Yeah, I decided to get one of these because when I'm recording on my Sony action camera, sometimes it's a little hard to record without that LCD. So this, I'll be able to put my phone here and be able to see what I'm recording. So it looks like that's how it goes. And you can loosen this to kind of adjust which way you want your camera to face. Let's go ahead and put that Sony action camera on it. Okay, it's pretty tight now. So now it's loose like that. Go ahead and kind of tighten it where you want it to be. Alright, no more loosey. And then you go ahead and put your phone in there. Make sure it's even. Cool. Okay, so I went and grabbed my phone so I can go ahead and try out my phone on it. So it's got a nice tight fit to it. Feels pretty solid. So this would be really nice when you're doing home videos or something. Not really kind of action cam stuff, just more of like, you know, filming stuff at home or vlogging or, you know, walking around just filming stuff. This would be perfect for you. The only thing is you're always going to have that lag with your, you know, having your phone connected to your action cam through the Wi-Fi. You're still going to have lag when you're turning, which, you know, that's always going to suck, but it's really nice to be able to have that, you know, LCD there without having to hold your phone and the camera, you know, in two separate hands. It's nice that it's all in one package. What are you doing, Stripey? Trying to interrupt my video? Huh? Yeah? You want to check out the new handheld grip? It's cool, huh? Yeah, so that's what it looks like. There's another kind of view of it. Okay, Stripey, what are you doing? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Try to post some more videos like this. And Stripey says, thank you and subscribe.